Amakhosi asethengise umdlali wabo ohamba phambili kwiqembu laphesheya. According to reports, Kaizer Chiefs have sold their centre-back Eden McCarthy to Sabah FK, who plays in the Azerbaijan Premier League. Lo mdlali-ke bampromotha-ke khona-ke laphana kwi-reserves team, ngenkathi-ke kulimala yena-ke uRashun Dudley. Ufike-ke laphayana-ke uMcCarthy wafitha in as a glove, ekwazile ukuthi-ke afika adlale naye-ke uMiguel, wadlala naye-ke uKwinika ngoba besidlala naye-ke sekuzophela yona-ke isizini umsimango. So this player caught the eye of many teams laphana-ke overseas, and yafika-ke Sabah FK laphana eNaturena yatriggerisha yona-ke i-release clause yomdlali, and amakhosi were left with no choice but to sell the player. Kuthiwa-ke he will fly out of South Africa later tonight, afike laphana e-Azerbaijan asayine yona-ke i-3-year deal with an option to extend nayo-ke iSabah FK. Okumnandi kakhulu-ke for the player ukuthi-ke le team iwine yona-ke i-Azerbaijan Premier League title, okusho kona ukuthi next season uzobe dlala khona-ke laphana ku-UEFA Champions League. So this is great news for the player and also for Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi kwazi ukuthi yenze yona-ke profit from their development player. Simfisela okuhle and hopeful uzokwazi ukuthi-ke asirepresente well laphayana-ke Azerbaijan, especially-ke laphana ku-UEFA Champions League.